Honor 9X Pro is not just beautiful but a powerful smartphone. I've been using the smartphone since last 2 weeks and here's my review. So this is what you get inside the box. It comes with fingerprint sensor within the power button itself, and on the bottom we have the 3.5mm audio jack with the primary microphone, USB Type-C slot and a speaker grill. On the top of the phone we have the secondary mic that's for the noise cancellation, the SIM tray and the pop-up selfie camera. We get a 6.59 inches full HD plus display and a full view display which do not have any notch in it. The 16 megapixel AI selfie camera is really very good and clicks some amazing selfies. On the rear part we have the 48 megapixel main lens and the 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor for taking superb photos. And guys, I've clicked 2 photos with the normal mode and with the AI clarity mode. Even in some low light it captures great images. Have a look at this photo. And I was really amazed by this feature, the AIS Super Night mode. It was no light out there and have a look what image it captured. Low light camera in this smartphone is really very great. I've clicked a few photos using the light painting and I've clicked 2 photos which I want to show you. I have tested playing the PUBG Mobile in this smartphone and I'm very impressed by its graphics and all, and the gameplay was very smooth as it comes with the GPU Turbo 3.0 with 6GB of RAM and the Kirin 810 processor which is a 7nm based chipset, so that is working really very nice and the gameplay is very smooth without any lags, no frame drops at all. And I have also noticed that during the gameplay the device wasn't very hot or getting heat up just because it comes with the liquid cooling system as mentioned by the company. The user interface of Honor 9X Pro is really very good as it is coming with the EMUI 9.1 and will soon receive the EMUI 10.1 update. Apart from that, you can check out the Honor Club app for more information regarding this smartphone, and we also have a section of app gallery in the club app itself, so you can have a look at that too. The phone is running on the HMS and it comes with many native apps of its own like the theme app and the music player, video player. Apart from that, you have the app gallery to download the other apps and stuff. And yes, the 4000 mAh battery can easily last for a day. So guys, this was my review of the Honor 9X Pro and I hope that you like the video. Stay tuned and subscribe to Akash J Kashyap. Thank you.